So we are members of Harvest Host, which is actually a program where you pay a pretty low annual amount. It's $100 or less, maybe a little more than that because we have the golf package as well. And you're able to stay at places overnight like golf courses, wineries, farms, churches, various places. There's an app, it's super easy to use, and you really get to stay at some really cool places, meet some really cool people, and it is a lot of fun.
And it's free. It's free to stay the night.
Oh yeah, the only thing they ask is that you, if they sell something or if they have donations, that you go ahead and spend, you know, at least a minimum of $20 at a place. They don't typically have hookups. You have to be self-contained and you have to be able to, you know, not have electricity and all of that, but it's really cool.
It is cool.
So today
we're heading to a horse farm where they bring retired horses. So if you think about it, you know, once a horse gets old, you know, they need to go somewhere, and obviously the glue factory is not where they want to go. So these folks take in horses when they're in their elder years and take care of them. So I'm really, I think that's a brilliant idea, and I really want to go see that. And
so our stop today, we're on day 2 of our Colorado road trip. We will be in Missouri, and we are going to be staying at the Selby Retirement Horse Farm.
Yes. Yep. So we're looking forward to it. So come along with us.
Super cold. He's a hot dog.
No pun intended.
We made it, and we are here at Selby Farm Horse Retirement. Oh, sounds like I'm saying it wrong. But if you look behind me, you can see there's a pasture, there's some horses back there. It's so peaceful and beautiful out here. It's great. And they messaged us and let us know that if we wanted electric, they would take care of that. So we have electric ready for us, and we are going to enjoy.
All I want in this whole life, a little red house and a country wife, a picnic table out on the lawn, a couple of kids and a couple of dogs. Work all day to 5:30, a chain link fence and a gravel drive, the wind chime ringing on my front porch, a brand new carpet on every floor, and a rope swing tied around a limb of a tall oak tree. It don't sound like much, but it sure is heaven to me. A big bathtub in my bathroom, microwave, dishwasher too. The folks say hi when they pass on the street. A clean pair of socks every day of the week. A big soft chair for when I'm old. Tackle box and a fishing pole. I don't care about the fortune or fame. I just don't wanna know my mailman's name.
Yeah, so what you doing right now?
Okay, I'm gonna cut up some apples. Got some apples for the horses. Coda's super interested in these horses, and he really wants to go play with them, or just kind of, maybe not play with them, but he wants to nose them. Get them out. Or do you?
Hey, buddy. I think I might do it like this. Come here.
No, he's gonna.
I don't want him taking my hand off.
He's not going to. Hold it flat.
Yeah, that's not fun though. I don't really trust that.
Yeah, he will. He'll just take it with his lips. See?
Okay. I'm a little nervous here. Oh, that's a guy, bud.
Kevin's trying to get some. You have to let him get it. So they also have some trails here in the woods, so we're gonna check out some of the trails. Today, we had a good day. And you can see behind me that these girls and boys are making retirement look mighty good.
Yes, they are.
So we had a good time here today. We enjoyed our stay with Selby Farms. And what was I gonna say? For more videos, go to our YouTube channel and you can click on any of the playlists, or you can go to our website at www.befreebenson.com. Have an adventure and be free. So today was a good day. And these horses behind me.
Sorry. There's so many bugs.
Stop. You stop.
Inhaling.
Drama. Drama.